Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching from. This is the video that we promised we're going to make available today, and I am currently logged into my XNES account. That would be the demo. If you look here, you will see that it's a demo account currently trading. I opened the BTC USD pair, right? So without further ado, here when you click on trade, look at how I'm dragging this pointer. If you click on trade, you will see all the pairs that is available to trade, right? And if you can find all these pairs, this is what you can do. You add them. They'll probably actually be already available, right? Where you can add these pairs like this is when you are on inside MT5. You click on somewhere, search here, and you type the name. Let's say USD GBP. I've already added it, that's why it's not coming out. But this is not the main point. I believe when you want to open a trade and the signal drops, what you need to do is to type that pair. If it is GBP USD, is already here, you search it. But if you don't see it, it means you need to type it so that it will come out, and you just click it like this. You click it like this, yeah, and it will open up. It will open up. So I'm taking this very slowly and step by step so that you understand exactly what to do. This is a video you need to watch diligently like a responsible person. I know that most of you can watch comedy for hours, watch movies for hours, but when it comes to something that will improve your life, your village people just come. Something will hang you for your eye will start paining you, your battery will start dying. You don't have that again. But if it's some useless stuff that will never help you, this is why 99% of the people are broke, right? Because they seem to focus on the wrong thing all the time, and they complain for the differences that is not happening in their life. You need to take things seriously. This video is to be taken seriously. I'm doing it comprehensively, complete everything, right? And this video will be uploaded on our YouTube channel, which is where you're already watching it. So without further ado, click the like button, drop a comment if you have a question, and subscribe if you are a new viewer. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for being here. And as we start this journey on forex trading, I believe and hope that it becomes profitable for you as you follow and continue to do the right thing. Now, for example, we drop signals in the WhatsApp group. So I'm going to go to the WhatsApp group right now, scroll up to find the signals that we have dropped. This one was yesterday. So what do you do when you see signals like this? You copy it, paste it into the clipboard, long press the clipboard. But you don't have to be typing it, because typing it will just, if it's a trade you need to place immediately, to waste your time. So here is the entry point. You click the entry, highlight it, and copy, and then you go back. As you can see, this trade is USD CAD, that's USD and Canadian dollar. So I'm going to go back to the home page, which is the trade section, as you can see, which is the trade section. I'm going to see what the pointer here. So I will either scroll and find it, or type USD card. You can see here, this is it. This is USD card, and it's actually trading here. So but I can place another trade. You can place another trade in the same with the same pair as many times as possible. If your trade is going well and you want to repeat the same trade again, it's possible. So now, as you know, this trade is a sell limit. So look at it here. It's a sell limit trade. It's a sell limit trade. So you go back, watch carefully. I've already copied the entry, and then you click sell. The next place you want to click is here. If you look down, you'll find it. You can see this thing. You can see this setting. Yeah, you can see that setting, right? You click on other settings, it will open up. Then it's a sell limit, so you're gonna have to click a sell limit. If it's a sell stop, you click on sell stop based on the description of the signal that we drop. So it's a sell limit, so I'm going to have to select a sell limit. But if the price of the sell limit has already reached it, so it means you have to go to market order. Don't put sell limit, don't put stop, sell stop, right? Just leave it at market order. What you need to do then is, you don't need to enter the entry amount again like we copied. So what you need to now enter is the take profit and the stop loss. The stop loss is very, very important. You put the stop loss, and then you go to the last take profit description, which is here. You go to the last one and enter the last one. If you feel like you enter the third one, based on how long you know that you can monitor the market, and if you reach third, you can walk out of the market. If you reach second and you feel that you have made enough profit, $5, $10, $20, $100, depending on your capital and depending on your loss size, which we're going to explain in this video, then you can now copy whichever one you like. I usually copy the last one. For me, I copy the last one, right, and go and put it. What you need to do is just click that take profit. Another number will pop up, so you need to highlight it like this, right, and then you click paste, right? As you can see, it is trading below what we are entering. So this is just for example, right? That is why it is showing marks here, this red sign. That is why it will not go. So, but if it is a trade that we're just entering newly, as you know, this is a tutorial, it will probably not show this. And the next thing you want to do is go and copy your stop loss, right? Go and copy the stop loss. Copy, and you paste, highlight and paste your stop loss. Now another thing is, once that happens, this button right here, this button will probably come up blue. So you click it and your order has been placed, right? So that is that. Now, and in case the price has not reached the amount we want to enter our entry, that means you are going to use sell limit, because we are selling, because the signal is a sell limit signal, right? Use sell limit. Now you're going to have to enter the price, right? You go and copy the entry price and paste just like this. And the next thing you want to do is now put your stop loss, put your stop loss, your stop loss here. Stop loss should actually be the first thing, and then put your take profit and click confirm sell, and your trading will automatically start if it is on market order you enter without putting the entry price. But if it is sell limit, it means that the market will have to reach this price before it will automatically trigger and start trading, whether you are online or not, whether you are aware or not. So you don't actually need to monitor it, but you need to come down every now and then to check the market. If it's going your way, you have made some profit, you can walk out of the market even before it reaches the first target or second target or third target, just to manage your greed and not lose any money. But if it's not going your way, you can actually come and close the order, right? So let me get you to an open order and show you how to close an order. Now you can see this is an open order USD card. So we are going to, you click here, this sign. Let me go back to screen. I'm on profit on BTC, $60-something. Okay, you open it, view chart. and you click here. If you click here, you click confirm, and the order will be closed. Another place you can close the order should be by long pressing this thing. Press and hold, right? Press and hold and shift it like this. You can see close has come out. You will just tap on close, right? Let me show you again. If you hold it, shift, hold it, shift, hold it, shift, right? You tap the close and confirm, right? So as simple as that. Now you know how to do market order and then sell stop and also sell limit. So if it is sell stop, like if you go up and check again, I think we have another signal that is a sell stop signal. Some signal will not come with either sell stop or so. Some signal will just come for you to enter the trade, right? Just look at, we have already explained about let me go back here again. We have already explained about the market order and then sell limit. So this what we explained, right? That this sell limit is opposite of buy limit. Now if it's on buy, for example, let's enter a different trade. For example, USD JPY. If you are buying, you click on order settings, right? You can see that this is buy limit and then sell limit. This is buy limit, sell limit. This is almost the same thing. But if the price of the asset has reached your entry price, it means you don't have to click buy limit or sell limit. You will now just use market order. Then you put your take profit here and your stop loss here, and then you click confirm, and it starts trading immediately. But if it's still on the below the entry price, right, it means you use this based on if the signal is buy limit signal or buy stop signal, right? Then you click it here, you set your entry price, set your take profit, paste your stop loss. If it's buy stop signal, same thing, enter your entry price, set your take profit, set your stop loss. As simple as that. I think we have explained most of this. Now I'm going to go back to the description of this video, to the topic of this video. I think where I sent it to somebody here. Yes, so we have explained entry and exit, right? How to enter and exit, how to enter trade and close the trade. Now we have also explained take profit, and we have also explained stop loss. Now the next thing is lot size, right? The next thing is lot size. So let's go to that and talk about the lot size. Now, for example, this is where you set the lot size. If you look above where the pair is appearing, this is USD JPY. Now you can see lots. So you can tap this plus to increase your lot size, or tap minus to reduce your lot size, depending on your capital. If your capital is below $200, your lot size should never be above 0.09 or 0.05, maximum 0.05, right? Or 0.03. So, but if you have a $500, $1,000, $3,000 capital, you can increase your lot size to let's say even up to, you can see as I'm coding this, it is going on its own. You can increase it to even as much as 0.5, 0.50 or 0.90, right? I think I used, yes, it is at 0.65 now. So you just keep tapping this and increasing it. You understand? If you want to reduce it, you click on the minus. This is the plus, this is the minus, right? And that's, once the lot size is like this, let me tell you what it means. So I'm going to place an order here right now without actually setting stop loss, because we have already explained the mean of how to do stop loss and then take profit. So I'm going to enter this trade, right, and close it right back later. Right, so I'm going to confirm buy right now. I've already bought. You understand? So, and it starts trading. This means you didn't actually set any stop loss or take profit. But that can be arranged even after starting this trade like this without setting stop loss and take profit. You will just have to go to, I think, modify. But don't ever enter any trade, right, without entering your take profit and stop loss. It's very important. So I believe you have already understood the significance of loss size. Now, as you can see, I am on loss of $11. It is reading. That's because my my loss size is big. So the bigger your loss size, the more amount of money you can lose if the trade is not going your way, right? So the lesser your loss size, the less amount you can lose if the trade is going, the more amount you can gain, sorry, if the trade is going your way. So if your loss size is this big, it means that your price can jump very, very, very high. If your loss size is small, it means your price can jump very, very slowly, right? If it is big and the trade is not working and the trade is going against you, that is how your money will also be going, will be reducing. So how do you manage this? How do you manage this? You manage it by, we have explained this lot size, right? Lots, what lot means. So if it is big and you are losing, you lose very, very fast. If it is small and you are losing, you lose very, very slow. If it is big and you are winning, you win very, very, you win very, very significantly. And if you are losing, you lose significantly. So how do you manage this risk area that has to do with lot sizes? You go back to already open trade. You can see that this trade is open. You can go back to accounts and see your open trades. You click on any one you like. Let's use, for example, this one we just opened, right? So what do you do here? We didn't set stop loss here, so we use the one that we have set stop loss. You manage it using your stop loss. So if you click view chart, these are stuff that it will show you. If it's not showing you this, log out of your of the app and re-log in again and go back here. It will show you this. So how do you manage this risk? If you can move your stop loss and also move your take profit. Now, if the market is about to kiss your stop loss, which means sometimes if it reaches your stop loss, based on your loss size, you could lose around $2,000, like you are seeing here. If this market goes from here, go and kiss my stop loss, this is the amount of money I'm going to lose, $2,000 plus, right? If it comes down and kisses my take profit, I will make $1,600, right? So, but you don't actually have to wait for it to reach your take profit. You can just watch the market. If you make $100, you make $50, you make $20, $10, and you feel that's enough for you for the day to manage your risk and also manage your greed, you can click on this this sign here and close the market. You can click here and close the market. It's as simple as that. So, and based on this loss size, you can manage your risk by adjusting your stop loss. So you can choose to bring your stop loss close to where the market is going or move it. In fact, what you should do is move it. This SL here, this SL means stop loss. So if the market is coming and almost about to kiss your SL, you should move it up, right? And in case this SL is below, not up, is below here, and take profit is up, so it means that the market will be coming down because what you did is sell. So if it's about to kiss it, you raise it down, you bring it down. So what to separate your take profit and your stop loss is the market price. You can see that it is somewhere here in the middle. So you have the advantage of moving it away when it's about to touch your stop loss, which will make you lose some money, so that it will not touch it. Now, while doing this, you also understand that you can actually hold a trade for as long as actually up to 1 week. Whatever happens in the market, you can always come back and adjust your take profit and stop loss so that your stop loss does not hit, right? You move it away from the market if it is getting closer so it does not hit. You keep on managing your trade until you are in profit. You can go in loss, which you are seeing, but of course you have not been liquidated because your account size is big, right? You can see that this volume lot is 1.30, so that is big, right? So you understand exactly what I mean here. Adjusting your stop loss, right, based on how closer it is moving to it, by moving it away. So once you move it away, let's say you move it down closer because the market is coming down, or you move it up. Once that happens, you move it to where you want, you will see a sign here that says confirm. You will confirm it and it is set. So moving it without confirming, you are still in the same place. So you move it up and you come down here and confirm, and it is set at that. So that's what I'm going to do right now, just as an example. Backham, I've clicked it and it is confirmed, and you can see my stop loss has actually moved up, right? And if you wanted to move your take profit again, you move it a bit down to manage your risk, right? If you want to hold the trade for as long as some people can hold a trade for 1 month, whatever happens with that pair, they're either they will decide that they're going to make money. They can take it for 1 month. If it goes well, they will keep adjusting their stop loss, based on your account size anyways. If your account size is small, you can't really do this. If it is small, it means that your lot size has to be very small, which is around 0.01 or 0.02 or 0.03 or 0.09 to manage it. So that is people that are trading from, let's say, $10 to $50, $10 to $50 to $100 to $200. Don't exceed, if you are from 100 to 200, don't exceed 0.05 or 0.09. If you are trading from $10 to $50, don't exceed 0.01 as your loss size. This is things that you need to understand. So I believe this video is clear enough. We have explained entry and exit. You know how to close your trade, you know how to enter, right? You know how to, the mean of loss size, you know how to take profit, you know how to set your stop loss. So all this has been explained. If you have more questions, drop it on the comment section of this video. If you don't have an account with any broker, since you're going to be using our signal, the link will be in the video description. Just click down and find a link and some other information. You can follow me on social media, Twitter. I will leave all the link there so that we can be connected in the social world. I'll be dropping some more updates there so that you will follow and know exactly what is happening in the Forex world. Without further ado, I think this is enough explanation, and I believe that you have understood. Now, one more important thing you need to do: watch this video like a responsible person. If I were you, I'll watch it like 3 times, as if I'm watching a Korean movie. That way, you will understand what to do and do it perfectly, and be better than other people, be above other people, and be a bit closer to these people that you admire that are making big money here. Because without you doing your job diligently, one of which is watching this video diligently, there's nothing for you. That is just the truth. All right, so we'll be ending this video right now. Subscribe to this channel, click the like button, and leave us a comment, a question, or anything, and we will get back to you. It's just a short video. I think it's 25 minutes, right? 24-minute video, so it's short. Most people watch 2 hours videos, which is or totally useless to their financial life. So I believe this should be a sweet cake for you to watch, because it's going to help you understand how to actually use free signals even as a beginner.